Joseph Murphy says the subconscious mind exerts a significant influence on our daily actions and behaviors. Many of our daily routines and tasks are automatic, requiring no conscious thought or effort. Imagine having to consciously think about every single task, from making breakfast to getting dressed and driving to work. It would be exhausting, leaving us mentally drained. However, the challenge lies in the fact that most individuals have been programmed with negative beliefs and behaviors that are counterproductive to their goals. As a result, they unconsciously think and act in negative ways that hinder their progress toward becoming the person they aspire to be and achieving their desired outcomes. In this video, we are going to discuss 3 powerful yet simple techniques to reprogram the subconscious mind. When you use these techniques, you'll be able to reprogram your old, counterproductive mental programs to more productive behaviors and thought patterns of your choice. Sounds good? Let's get started. Joseph Murphy believed that the subconscious mind played a vital role in shaping our lives. He believed that our subconscious mind operates on the principle of cause and effect, meaning that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs have a direct impact on our experiences and outcomes. Murphy also believed that the subconscious mind is more powerful than the conscious mind and can influence our behavior in ways that we may not be aware of. He stated that our subconscious mind is like a recording device that stores every thought, feeling, and experience we have ever had. It also holds our deepest beliefs and values that shape our lives. One of the most significant ways in which the subconscious mind affects our lives is through our beliefs. Murphy believed that our beliefs determine our reality and that our subconscious mind is responsible for creating and reinforcing these beliefs. For example, if we believe that we are not good enough or that success is not possible for us, our subconscious mind will create situations and experiences that confirm these beliefs. Conversely, if we believe that we are capable of achieving our goals, our subconscious mind will help us find opportunities and resources to make them a reality. Limiting thoughts and negative beliefs can easily enter our subconscious mind, often without us even realizing it. These thoughts can come from a variety of sources, including our upbringing, past experiences, media messages, and societal norms. The subconscious mind does not discriminate between positive and negative thoughts. It simply accepts and stores whatever thoughts and beliefs we consistently expose it to. Over time, these thoughts and beliefs become deeply ingrained in our subconscious, shaping our attitudes, behaviors, and, ultimately, our life outcomes. Negative thoughts and beliefs can have a profound impact on our lives. They can lead to self-doubt, anxiety, depression, and a sense of hopelessness. When we constantly think of negative thoughts, our subconscious mind interprets them as truths, and we begin to believe that we are incapable of achieving our goals, deserving of happiness and success, or worthy of love and acceptance. Limiting beliefs can manifest in many different ways in our lives. For example, if we believe that we are not good enough, we may struggle with self-esteem and constantly seek external validation. If we believe that we are destined to fail, we may sabotage our efforts or give up on our goals altogether. If we believe that we are victims of circumstance, we may feel powerless to change our lives and become resigned to a sense of helplessness. These limiting thoughts and beliefs can be particularly damaging when it comes to achieving our goals. If we do not believe that we are capable of success, our subconscious mind will work against us, sabotaging our efforts and preventing us from reaching our full potential. Conversely, if we hold positive beliefs and make positive affirmations, our subconscious mind will work in our favor, helping us to stay motivated and focused on achieving our goals. So how can we break free from limiting thoughts and negative beliefs and reprogram our subconscious mind to work for us rather than against us? Here, we are going to discuss 3 techniques that have been suggested by Joseph Murphy. These are the most powerful techniques that will not only help you to get rid of negative thoughts residing in your subconscious mind, but these techniques will also help you to reprogram your subconscious mind effectively and help you to manifest your desire quickly. So let's start with the first technique. Number 1, mind movies. Have you ever heard of mind movies? This innovative tool allows you to create a visualization of your life by using images, affirmations, and music. By hitting your subconscious from 3 different angles, it can help you achieve your goals and transform your life. Using mind movies is a simple yet effective way to activate your senses and enhance your visualization and affirmation practices. It combines the power of images, words, and music to create a compelling story that captures your attention and inspires you to take action. Let's take the example of healthy eating. If you want to install new behaviors like eating healthy, exercising, and taking care of yourself, you could create a mind movie around this goal. To do so, you would start by selecting images that represent healthy eating, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, lean protein sources, and whole grains. You could also add pictures of people exercising, meditating, or practicing self-care activities. Next, you would add affirmations that reinforce your commitment to healthy habits. For instance, you could say, "I choose to eat nutritious food every day because it nourishes my body and mind." You could also use affirmations that inspire you to stay motivated and focused, like "I am capable of achieving my health goals," or "I am worthy of investing time and energy in myself." Finally, you would select your favorite uplifting music to accompany your mental movie. You could choose instrumental tracks, classical music, or songs that have positive lyrics and a motivating beat. The music will help you tap into your emotions and enhance the impact of your mental movie. By watching your mind regularly, you will reinforce the new behaviors and beliefs that you want to adopt. Your subconscious mind will start to accept these ideas as true, and you will find yourself naturally drawn to healthy foods, physical activity, and self-care practices. You will also feel more confident, energized, and focused as your mind and body align with your goals and desires. The beauty of mind maps is that they are versatile and customizable. You can create mind movies for any area of your life that you want to improve, such as relationships, careers, finances, or spirituality. You can also adapt them to your style and preferences. For example, if you are a visual learner, you might choose to add more images to your mental movie. If you are an auditory learner, you might focus more on the music and affirmations. In addition, you can use mind movies to overcome any limiting beliefs or negative self-talk that might be holding you back. By replacing these thoughts with positive affirmations and empowering images, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and create a more supportive inner dialogue. You can also use mind movies to boost your self-confidence, resilience, and creativity as you tap into your inner wisdom and intuition. To create your mind movie, you can use online tools or software programs that provide templates, images, and music tracks. You can also create your content from scratch, using a combination of pictures, affirmations, and songs that resonate with you. Once you have created your mind movie, you can watch it daily, preferably in the morning or before going to bed, when your mind is most receptive to new ideas and suggestions. Number 2, incantations. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stuck in negative thought patterns. Whether it's self-doubt, fear of failure, or a lack of confidence, these mental barriers can hold you back from achieving your goals and living your best life. That's where incantations come in, a powerful tool for changing your mindset and unlocking your full potential. So what are incantations? An incantation is a repetitive phrase or statement that you say out loud with intensity and conviction. Unlike affirmations, which are simple statements that you repeat to yourself, incantations are said with emotion and energy and are designed to elicit a physical response from your body. The power of incantations lies in their ability to change your physiology, the way your body responds to different stimuli. When you say an incantation with energy and passion, your body responds by releasing hormones like dopamine and serotonin, which make you feel good and confident. By repeatedly saying your incantation with intensity and emotion, you train your brain to associate that feeling with the words you're saying. Over time, this can help to rewire your brain and create new neural pathways that support positive thinking and confidence. So how can you use incantations? To get the most out of incantations, you need to use them consistently and with intention. Here are some tips for using incantations effectively. Step 1. Choose your incantation carefully. The first step in using incantations is to choose the right phrase or statement. Your incantation should be a positive statement that reflects the mindset or behavior you want to cultivate. For example, if you want to be more confident, your incantation might be, "I am strong, capable, and confident in everything I do." If you want to be more successful in your career, your incantation might be, "I am a high achiever who excels in everything I do." Step 2. Say your incantation out loud. To get the full benefit of incantations, you need to say them out loud with intensity and passion. Don't just repeat the words in your head, say them with conviction and emotion. Step 3. Use body language. To amplify the power of your incantation, use body language to reinforce your message. For example, you might raise your arms in the air, clench your fists, or stand up straight with your shoulders back. Step 4. Repeat your incantation regularly. To create lasting change in your mindset and behavior, you need to repeat your incantation regularly. Make it a part of your daily routine and say it multiple times throughout the day. Step 5. Belief in your incantation. Finally, to get the most out of incantations, you need to truly believe in the words you're saying. If you say your incantation but don't believe it, you won't get the full benefit. To build belief in your incantation, start by focusing on the positive aspects of your life and the things you're grateful for. This can help shift your mindset to a more positive and confident place. Number 3. Visualization. Visualization is a technique that involves creating a mental image or scenario in your mind of yourself performing a desired behavior or achieving a goal. By doing so, you are more likely to perform that behavior or achieve that goal in real life. To understand how visualization works, it's important to first understand the power of the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is the part of your mind that controls your automatic behaviors and habits. It's responsible for many of the things you do without even thinking about them, like breathing, walking, and driving a car. However, the subconscious mind is also responsible for your habits and behaviors that you may not want, such as smoking, overeating, or procrastinating. These habits and behaviors are deeply ingrained in your subconscious, making them difficult to change. Visualization works by tapping into the power of the subconscious mind to create new neural pathways and reprogram your automatic behaviors and habits. By visualizing yourself performing a new behavior or achieving a goal, you are essentially creating a mental blueprint that your subconscious can follow. For example, if you wanted to reprogram your subconscious mind to eat healthier, you would spend 10 to 15 minutes each morning and night visualizing yourself eating healthy foods and making healthy choices. You would create a mental image of yourself preparing and eating a healthy breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and feeling happy and satisfied with your choices. However, visualization alone is not enough to change your habits and behaviors. You must also consciously act on those behaviors when the time comes to choose to eat healthily or not. This is where the real work comes in. You must make a conscious effort to choose healthy foods and make healthy choices in your daily life. Over time, with consistent practice, you will begin to subconsciously perform those behaviors. When you visualize yourself making a healthy food choice and then consciously act on that choice, you are strengthening the neural pathways in your brain that are associated with healthy behaviors. Eventually, these pathways will become so strong that you will no longer need to consciously think about your choices. You will just naturally choose healthy options. Visualization can be used for a wide range of goals, from improving your health and fitness to achieving career success or personal growth. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of Joseph Murphy's statement. Of course, this does not mean that we agree with everything he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, which is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.